Hi, my name is Juan, and my business is peanuts. My business involves growing peanuts and selling them to large retailers all over the Philippines. Before, I had a problem. I used to worry about shipping my peanuts to various provinces: Manila, Pampanga, Antipolo, Cebu. But what do I know about shipping? I'm a farmer. I'm not a logistics expert. I had an idea. I'd look for a company with unlimited drivers and trucks, which I can use whenever I need. Now, I don't have to worry about logistics, or gas expenses, or salaries and all that jazz. I can just focus on making great peanuts. Well, now, I'm big time. And when you're big time, you have big problems. Today, I have to worry about my sales force, tracking my peanut production, and my ever-growing customer database. I was told by experts I need to invest big money in data centers, servers, hard drives, and other super-duper high-tech equipment. Wow, sounds painful. Good thing I spoke to my friendly Globe consultants about my problem. And they told me, no need, I could get it all on the cloud. Ano? What was she talking about? At first I couldn't understand it, but after she explained things to me, it made sense. Instead of investing in my own equipment, I could always just pay for what I use and access it anytime from Globe's cloud. Sounds familiar. I realized it's just like when I outsource trucks and truck drivers instead of hiring my own. What's the point, right? I don't own a talyer. In the same way, why will I invest in data centers and servers and hard drives? I don't own a computer shop. Globe will provide me with the equipment I need off the cloud for my back-end operations. No wonder it's called infrastructure as a service, or IaaS? Maybe it's called IaaS! Let me make you kwento how Globe's cloud solved my problems. Well, my sales guys go from Holo to Apari to sell peanuts. They boast they know everything about their customers, and they store all this information on their laptops. They're the best. But I have to admit, sometimes they can be a little clumsy. They drop their computers, pour coffee on it, and when a computer goes kaput, they lose all that important info. I asked the Globe girl for a solution, and she said I should get BAS. What? As in sheep? No, BAAS, or backup as a service. That means if a computer breaks, they just log on to the cloud and they can get their computer data fully restored. So in case one of my salesmen drops his laptop or gets his device stolen, the information won't be lost forever. It's like hitting the rewind button. Hanep, no? Here's my next problem. Now I have a lot of information on my customers, like where they are, how they like their peanuts, their favorite color, their birthday, etc. I need to be able to store all that information properly. And my IT guy says, for me to store all this info, I have to invest a lot of money on storage space. So I spoke to that cute Globe girl again, and she said, why don't you get storage as a service, or STAS? In this way, I'll be able to store millions and millions of information over the cloud without having to invest in data centers, hard drives, and all that eklat. Winner! Next, for my peanut production, I got this high-tech software that will calculate when I need to plant and pick my peanuts. But it's pretty slow. When it's finished computing, it's the end of the season already. Ang labo. I asked that Globe girl again, and she said I should get compute as a service, or CAS. That means Globe will provide me with all the incredible processing power I need to crunch my needed information. Since my calculations are faster, now I can do that just-in-time inventory thing that people keep talking about. Now, because of Globe's cloud, my costs are lower, my processes are quicker, and my peanut information is safely stored. I only pay for what I use, and I don't have to worry about the complicated things because Globe is managing it for me. So what can I focus on? My vision of world peanut domination! But that comes later. In any case, give Globe's cloud a shot so you can focus on your business and Globe can do the high-tech stuff for you. The end. Bow.